Welcome to Is Torus Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Torus Wallet and additional details are provided in the description below. Torus Wallet is a decentralized, keyless, and user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet designed to simplify access to Web3 and blockchain-based applications. It is built for users who prioritize convenience and ease of use without compromising security. Whether you are new to crypto or an experienced user looking for a seamless experience, Torus offers an innovative solution for managing your assets. The standout feature of Torus Wallet is its keyless login system. Instead of relying on traditional private keys, Torus leverages OAuth integrations, allowing users to log in with their existing accounts from platforms like Google, Facebook, Twitter, or Apple. This eliminates the need for memorizing or managing complex seed phrases, making the wallet particularly appealing to beginners or those who prefer a simplified onboarding process. Torus also emphasizes compatibility with the decentralized web, offering support for Ethereum and other major blockchains. Users can store, send, and receive assets while interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, seamlessly. Its integration with Web3 infrastructure ensures that users can participate in DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, and blockchain gaming without technical barriers. The wallet also supports cross-platform usage with a web-based interface accessible from any device. In terms of security, Torus employs distributed key generation technology, splitting your private key into multiple shares that are stored across decentralized nodes. This approach ensures that no single entity has access to your full private key, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Additionally, the wallet allows for two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security to your login process. Torus Wallet is ideal for users who prioritize simplicity, social logins, and interoperability with blockchain applications. It's particularly well-suited for newcomers to crypto who are daunted by traditional wallet setups, as well as experienced users looking for a modern, convenient way to access dApps. In conclusion, Torus Wallet combines innovative features with strong security measures, making it a reliable choice for navigating the decentralized ecosystem. Explore the links in the description to learn more and decide if Torus is the right wallet for you.